Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on what time you're watching this. And thank you so much for clicking to this video. Thank you for your support. Thank you for subscribing. Guys, I don't take that for granted. So guys, in today's video, it's all about cleaning my new house or my new home. Yeah, we've just moved in yesterday. It's 1 day since we've moved in, and I've not been able to arrange everything. So I've arranged some clothes and also already washed some of the utensils, and I've not finished like really everything to be on its place or the way I'd like it to be. So I'll take you through to continue arranging them. Anyway, let's get into the video. Hello guys, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and thank you so much for believing in me. Thank you so much for also liking it and also commenting. You guys motivate me a lot. Thank you so much. It's in the morning, we've just taken our breakfast, and nachenjako kasichana because kameamka kama kamesusu, so I start by changing her. I wiped her with the warm water because it's so cold outside and I couldn't wash her this early morning na kuna baridi sana, so I decided to just panguza her, and yes, nikachange tu kwa kashike warm, kakapaka mafuta. Then I leave her taking her breakfast so that I can go and wash some clothes, and nikatafuta cartoon nikakosa. We just moved in, so hata TV haishiki vizuri. Ndio mimi sasa niko kwa bafu nafua. I don't have so many clothes because before we moved in I did laundry. So sina nguo mingi. So and we all through tukaenda rooftop kuanika. So after that, it's dusting my house, and before I moved in nilifua mpaka hizo pillowcases za viti and all that, but because of the mishandling of wenye walikuwa wananihamisha, it was kind of dusty, and me I can't recommend mtu akihama atoanishe zote because zinarudingi tu uchafu. So I decided to dust them all, to just dust them because si kuwa na hiyo nguvu ya kuzitoanisha tena. I'm not moving out anytime soon, but if I had to, I won't sumbua myself with washing everything because zinarudingi uchafu. Even those that were clean, I find myself repeating them. Manguo nini. So enjoy watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Kindly like this video as you watch, and also leave a comment down below. It helps me a lot, and also it motivates me a lot. I love comments. I really love comments, and I try myself not really try. I really reply to every comment. So kindly subscribe as you watch, and enjoy watching. Make sure you subscribe and like this video, and also comment down below. I would like to hear from you guys, and that's it for today. Bye bye.